Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to fonts theme on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you, if you guys feel that your themes on your cell phone is very boring, don't need to be worried guys, because on Poco M7 Pro is providing a lot of themes that you can change. You can choose it as you want. And how to change the theme on your cell phone is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your cell phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down, and then now you can go to over here. And then as you can see guys, there are so many themes that you can choose one of them to become your themes. And I will choose about this one, and then you can click, and then this is free guys, you can download and you can apply it. And so yeah, you can wait for a while until it's done. And so yeah, here's the result. It is right. And so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change the theme, and thank you so much for watching.